friends, welcome to Mission 5, Lesson 20. Our objective or goal today is I can represent teen number compositions and decompositions as addition sentences. For today's lesson, you'll need 20 beans, counters, beads, some sort of manipulative. You will need a pencil and paper or a whiteboard and a dry erase marker. Go ahead and pause the video while you gather your supplies. For our first task, we want to go ahead and get 13 beans. Draw a number bond on your paper or your whiteboard. Put 10 of the beans in one part of the number bond. Put 3 beans in the other part of the number bond. I have mine down here for you to use as an example. So you want to draw a number bond and take your 13 beads and put 10 in one side of your number bond and 3 in the other side of your number bond. Go ahead and pause the video while you do that. Now that you've made your number bond with your beads, what is 10 ones and 3 ones? Very good. That's 13 ones. We would write that like this, 13 ones. So if we have 10 ones and 3 ones, that gives us 13 ones. How would we say this the say 10 way? Take a minute and think about that. How would we say this the say 10 way? Very good. We would say 10, 3, 10, 3. Okay, so if we ask, what is 10 ones and 3 ones? We would say 13 ones. To say the same number, the say 10 way, we would say 10, 3. Now that we have our 13 in 2 parts, what are the 2 parts? Very good. The parts are 10 and 3, which give us a total of 13. So, what is 10 plus 3? Let's read that as a complete sentence. What is 10 plus 3? And to read that back in a complete sentence, 10 plus 3 equals, what does 10 plus 3 equal? 10 plus 3 equals 13. So to read this as a complete sentence, 10 plus 3 equals 13. For our next problem, you will need 15 beans. So take a minute, clear your old number bond, make sure it's still in your paper, and gather 15 beans or beads or counters, whatever it is that you're using. Now that you have your 15 beans, put 10 beans in one part of your number bond and put 5 beans in the other part of your number bond. Pause the video while you do that, and if you need help, you can look at the number bond I have down here. So what is 10 ones and 5 ones? How would we say that? Very good. We would say 15 ones. Okay. What is the say 10 way? What is the say 10 way? Pause the video and think about, how do you say that 15 using the say 10 way? Very good. You say it 10, 5. So to review, what is 10 ones and 5 ones? How do we say that? 15 ones. Say the number 15 using the say 10 way. We would say 10, 5. Now that we have 15 in 2 parts, what are the 2 parts? Look at your number bond. we have 10 and 5, which gives us a total of 15. Very good. What is 10 plus 5? What is 10 plus 5? How could we say that using a complete sentence? 10 plus 5 equals 15. Very good. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Is there another way we could write that? There is, isn't there? We could say 15 equals 10 plus 5. Now, clear your board or your paper. Keep your number bond. This time, I want you to gather 19 beads, counters, beads, whatever sort of manipulative that you're using. So go ahead and pause the video while you get your 19 objects ready. Just like in the previous two problems, put 10 beans in one part of the number bond and put 9 beans in the other part. You can use my picture to help you if you need to. Now that you have your number bond done, what is 10 ones and 9 ones? How do we say 10 ones and 9 ones? Very good. We say 19 ones. So 10 ones and 9 ones equals 19 ones. How do we say 19 using the say 10 way? Very good. We say 10, 9. Now that we have 19 in two parts, what are the two parts? 10 and 9. And if you have 10 and 9, that gives you a total of 19. Very good work. So let's write a number sentence. What is 10 plus 9? 10 plus 9 equals 19. What's another number sentence that we could write? Very good. 19 equals 10 plus 9. Up next will be your problem set. We're going to do one problem together, and then you'll be able to practice on your own. They have one done for us. 13 equals 10 plus 3. So we're breaking 13 into a group of 10 and 3. And then we'll write our number sentence. 13 equals 10 plus 3. Let's do one together. What's another way that we can break 15 down? Very good. We can break it into 10 and 5. And for our number sentence, we would have 15 equals 10 plus 5. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. Have a fantastic